Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration, and it's Third Thursday Thrift Flips, and that's hosted by the Rustic Willow and Southern Gilmore Gals. Now I'm going to be listing the host down in my description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody did their thrift flip. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to click that like button and full watch the video, because this helps YouTube to notice me just a little bit more, and that helps me to grow. Okay, so this is a vase that I purchased from the Salvation Army. It's a beautiful size and I'm absolutely loving the shape. So what we're going to do here is embellish. Now, most of the items that I'm using to embellish this craft will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I've been loving thrifting these beautiful vases. And so what I do is create centerpieces, which are beautiful for weddings, anniversaries, any kind of event. And all you need to do is change out the florals, because in today's thrift, all I'm doing is adding iridescent gems and the gem border stickers from the Dollar Tree. Now the florals are a mix between Dollar Tree florals and Walmart. Now I'm going to leave you to listen to a little bit of music until I'm done embellishing, so enjoy that and I'll see you at the end. Oh my goodness, I think this vase came out so gorgeous. And you know, it doesn't take very much. I just placed some gems there on the front, a little bit around the back and around the bottom. And look at this. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's work with the florals now. And I need to cut these tags off. So let me go ahead and do that. So now, while I was doing these florals, I did notice I was doing mostly pink, which is fine. But I think I'm going to display them for you differently when we head on over to the reveal, which we're almost there. So at least you get to see them in two different colors. So these came out absolutely beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts, the Rustic Willow and Southern Gilmore Gals, for hosting this collab. Guys, I think this centerpiece came out absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, you can interchange this for any event. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.